Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to make your PC 10x faster without actually downloading anything or purchasing anything. It's really simple. Before we get into the video, make sure you subscribe and leave a like. So to faster, make your PC faster, what you have to do is hold on Windows and R key. Now you're going to type in TEMP. So this is just the first process. Don't worry. So you're going to find a lot of files in here. Just select all of them and delete them. So you can skip few current items, or if you can try and skip these. So these can't be deleted, you have to leave them. So after this is done, now press on Windows plus R key again, and now type in percentage temp percentage. Now press on Control A again, delete. Now once you deleted everything, see, you see this? It's a lot of MB, 900 MB, and do this for all current items. This won't get deleted, by the way. Do it fast, man. Why is taking this long? So that's how all of this will be gone. Yeah, so this will be there forever. You can't remove them. I don't know why. And then once this is done, you're gonna hold on Windows plus R again and type in prefetch. You have to press on continue. I'm not taking access of your computer or anything. It's just your own. Now you're gonna see a lot of this. Now select all of them and press on delete again, and do this for all correct items. That's common. Yeah. And after this is done, now let's get into the process second. So what you have to do is press on Windows and press on uninstall. So you can see this, add or remove programs when you just type in UNIN. Press on that. Come down, find the most unnecessary things inside your, PC. You're gonna find a lot. See this? I don't even know what this is, but this is still inside mine. So I can just press on delete. Okay, this from Steam. You can find like this. So you're gonna find a lot of them like this. You can just delete them. This will permanently delete anything that is there. So you can even come to startup, turn off few startup ones. So for example, I used to have Steam on before, but now I turned it off. Now it says no impact on startup. So it's gonna forget about the startup. It won't be running in the background out here. So which is why it will help you out a lot without running in background processes. So thank you for watching, and make sure you subscribe.